Hello everyone. So today is our eighth session for our SolidWorks training. Last session we talked about the repair sketch and creating relationships between lines and points. So today I'm going to discuss about the quick snaps, rapid sketch, Instant2D, and shaded sketch contours. So first is the snapping quick snaps. Let's say for example I'm going to create a circle here. So usually once we create a circle we have to start from um, the origin, right? So here you can see if I hover the center of my circle over the origin, it doesn't snap. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click my origin and then I press my control on the keyboard and then I click on again for the center of my circle, and then the relations will come out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click coincident. Okay, coincident. Once it clicks the coincident, it will snap, the center of the circle will snap to the origin, just like that. Now for example I have a line here, and then let's say I want to make another line. You see, it's difficult for me. Difficult for me to align to the circle. You see here, if I zoom in, you see, you thought that my line is actually connected to that line, to another line, but actually it's not. Okay, you see like that. You see, this is going to be difficult to snap it. Now what I'm going to do is I will go to my settings, options, documents, and then grid and snap, and then go to snaps and then enable snapping. Okay, then I'm going to click OK. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move that point to that point. You see, it will create that dotted line. So meaning my snap is already on, activated. Okay, if I hover my point over that to another point, it will automatically get snapped. And then if I release it, I know that the two lines are connected already. Okay, same thing. Let's say I delete this relation. Okay, okay, I'll delete this circle first, and then okay, I'll move my circle over that origin. You see, the relation which is coincident will be automatically created. So that's the good thing about Snap. Okay, next, Rapid Sketch. Rapid Sketch is not so important feature, but it is usually being used by those advanced users in SolidWorks, because usually, right, if I want to create a 2D sketch, what I'm going to do is I have to start from a plane. Okay, then let's say I create my rectangle here. Okay, and then I'm going to extrude it. Right, so usually normally we only start drawing our 2D sketch from one plane only at a time. So say for example I draw from here, and then I extrude, and then now I want to draw on this plane. I have to start again for the sketch, another sketch. Okay, I go to extrude and check. Okay. Now, if I turn on my rapid sketch, okay, what will happen is that once I click here, I turn on the rapid sketch, turn it on. Okay, I'll make a circle over here. Now I can actually start my second sketch here, just like that. So I don't have to go out from one sketch to another sketch. See? So once I have it, okay, I can extrude one sketch at a time. See? Extrude 5. So it will have also the history of all the sketch that I have drawn. Okay. So did you get did you get the concept of rapid sketch? So basically it will just make the life of the designer easy. Once you have the rapid sketch on, you can draw on any face, on any plane that you want at the same time. That's the only use of rapid sketch. Okay, Instant 2D is something that is also useful if you want to change dimension using a ruler. So, for example, I want to draw a rectangle over here. Okay, then I have a dimension over here. I have a dimension for here also. So now if I turn on the Instant 2D, or right now it's already on. So you see, go back to sketch. Instant 2D is, if let's say for example I click this. If I want to change it, I will have to input my dimension. But with Instant 2D, once you click it, there will be a blue dot here. Okay, let's turn it off. Once I click my line once, it will not have that dot. So with 2D, we will have the blue dot. Okay, so what happened is I'm going to have a ruler, and then yeah, just like that. That's the only use of Instant 2D. Now go to shaded sketch contours. So shaded sketch contours is that it will help you know that the lines that you have created are closed, meaning it's closed loop. So for example, I have a line here, okay, and then I intentionally don't close it, so it's not shaded compared to this one which is shaded. Okay, imagine um if I close this one and then I don't activate this shaded sketch contours, you will not know if your sketch is closed or not, which is very important. Okay, so that's the use of shaded contours. Okay, that's all. I think today is our last session regarding the sketch. All the tools here, all the features here are already covered from session 1 until session 8. Okay, I think next session I'm going to cover um, the things that are mostly asked, or the things that are um, confusing to a lot of people. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.